Okay, let's take a look at the chartkick gem. It is really easy to set up, only takes a few steps. First place to go is in your gem file. You're going to add gem chartkick, and you'll want to update the bundle and the gem file as well. After getting that in, you will want to require it inside of your root controller. In my case, the application controller of this little app. Um, and just to give you a quick visual of where we're headed, I've got this like show page that just has a bunch of listed stats, and I'm going to try to represent it here inside the sidebar. You'll need to add in your public folder. You'll need to add a file for the chartkick. And if you're using Sinatra, the Ruby is a little more sophisticated and user friendly. This Sinatra, you need to actually manually download the JS code for chartkick. So to get it prepped here, just need to do that. And then over on chartkick website, it's the I guess the gist. I've got a link for it in the blog, but you'll just take the code and copy it in. That should get you going for the most part. Now, the last thing you need to do is add a charting library. And there's a couple you could use. You could use HighChart, you could use chart.js, and then you can use Google Charts as well. Just for sake of illustration, I will use HighChart. So in this, we'll add another file in the public for um, the HighChart charting library. And actually, it's plural, so let me, in this case, let me redo that. And then again, depending on where you go, Google Charts, you can just tap right to the API, but I've listed the links for chart.js and HighChart below, and again, you'll have to manually copy and paste the code, the JavaScript, into your Sinatra project here. But with those really 4 steps done, the last thing you do is add some reference to the chart you want in one of your like show pages, your ERB files. So in this case, for that sidebar, I want to put I guess like a bar chart there. So let me go ahead and put some code there. That should represent the turns on the page in terms of the view. And then, I'm sorry, last thing to I kind of skipped ahead. In your layouts, you'll want to make sure that you have um, chartkick, the script in there, inside the head. And then depending on which charting library you're going to use, this would be the equivalent for chart.js, and then Google Charts, and then line 19. I've got the HighCharts all ready to go in that one. So with all of those combined, you should have a chart ready to go in the Sinatra app. It doesn't take too much, just those like 3 or 4 steps. All right, and we've got a working chart here thanks to chartkick. Hope you enjoyed it. Super easy gem to use. I love it. Pie charts, line charts. You can do the whole gamut in the blog. You get a reference to like helpful documentation, all the different charts that the gem will allow you to utilize in your project. Talk to you soon.